it's Christy. Welcome back to my channel. Today I wanted to share with you the entire Hello Bluebird release, which is going live tonight, May 21st at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time, which is 9 p.m. Eastern Standard Time where I am. I wanted to go through everything with you guys, show you all the sets because they've all been revealed on the blog now with plenty of inspiration. So if you haven't been over to the Hello Bluebird blog the last couple of days, definitely go check out those posts because there's so much inspiration from the design team that is just going to blow you away. But I wanted to go ahead and share everything with you guys so you can get your shopping list ready to go, kind of make out your wish lists and see what you might like to pick up from this order. I know it's so helpful, at least to me, to see the stamps in person. So that's what I'm going to do with you today. So I'm going to set everything off to the side and we'll go through everything one by one. So the first set that I'm going to share with you guys is the new Flower Friends, and it is this adorable stamp set here, and it has three really cute critters, well, four technically if you include the little bird, and then some clouds and some great sentiments in this beautiful handwritten font. There's also a little bee. And I do have a card made with this one. It is right here. This one was up on my YouTube channel on Thursday. So if you haven't seen that video, I can link it in the cards right here or at the end of the video as well. But yeah, that one was really fun to color. There's just so many fun details to these little images that if you love to color, this one is going to be right up your alley. So there's that one. And I did get the matching dies. The dies came to us not in the original packaging, just in some plastic packaging. So I went ahead and cut those apart and put them on my magnetic sheets in the back of my stamp pocket. I have everything labeled and ready to go, so after this video is over I can just transfer the actual stamp set into the pocket and then have everything nice and organized. The next set that I'm going to share is the Big Hugs Woodland. So you've got all of these adorable woodland critters and they're hugging and just sharing some special moments. There's some great buildable sentiments with this one and this nice big scripty hugs. And I do have a card with this one as well. So there is that one, and this one was on Instagram today. I did share that one, but I'm not going to share the video until Memorial Day, just to buy me a little bit of time. And also I've kind of been flooding my channel with videos lately, and I want to give you guys time to catch up on them because yeah, I know that there's you know, a lot to watch right now with all the different companies having spring releases, summer releases, whatever. So I know there's a lot to catch up on, so I'm gonna hold off on posting the video for this one just for now, but that'll be up not this next Monday. This Monday will be my art journaling video, but the following Monday, which is Memorial Day in the States. But yeah, super cute set. Really love this one. And I did get the matching dies as well. There they are, already in the packaging, like I said. And sorry guys that I have to kind of keep covering most of the stamp sets with my hands. Hopefully you can still get a good look at them, but the counterfeiters can't. So the next set is Forest Friends, and these adorable images are just so cute. I have not gotten a chance to play with this set yet, but oh, it is on my list. I cannot wait to play with these guys. We've got some foxes, or they could be wolves. We've got some bunnies, some raccoons, hedgehogs, super cute little critters. I cannot wait to play with this one. And then you've got two really cute sentiments. Better together, hello sweet friend. Great friendship set, this one. And then I did get the matching dies as well. Next up we have Forest Fawns, and I adore this set as well. Deer are also one of my favorite woodland critters. I just love them, and especially when they're just so sweet with the little speckles on their hindquarters and everything like that. I do have a card with this set, but it is going to be on the Hello Bluebird blog on Tuesday and on my YouTube channel that day as well. So I'm not going to share that card with you because I don't think I'm supposed to sneak peek a project that's supposed to be on the Hello Bluebird blog ahead of time. I hope you guys understand that. But yeah, really, really cute stamp set. Love this one. I think it's just so, so sweet. So then we have some baby sets. This is the first one here. It's called Sweet Dreams. And you've got 6 adorable sleeping critters with some clouds to put them on. A beautiful sentiment and in that handwritten font. And then you've got some more block style sentiments with the different labels. Really, really cute. I have not had a chance to work with this one yet either, but I have stamped out some of the images and have a card idea, so it will be coming soon. I just haven't gotten to film that one yet. So there are the matching dies. Then we have some taller stamp sets, and the first one is called Carried Away. Really, really cute critters with their little balloons in different shapes. We have some circles, we have some hearts, and some star balloons, which are super fun. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 critters again, and some more fun sentiments as well, and some extra clouds, a little bird. I think this one is super adorable. Again, I have not had a chance to play with this one yet, but I've actually stamped out 2 card ideas for this one. So those will be coming soon, probably in June. And there are the matching dies. And the last stamp set is another baby set. It is this one here called Little Star. So, so cute. I love this sentiment down here. And these as well, really, really adorable. And I do have 2 cards with this one. So I have a boy version and a girl version, and these are also on my channel. These went up yesterday, Friday, so if you want to check out that video, you can do that. But I originally created this one when I was just playing with the stamps. This is the first stamps that I colored and then put the card together the next day, and then I wanted to recreate it for the video, so I did the girl version for you guys. So but I share kind of like how I did the boy version in that video as well, so if you want to check that out, you can. Got the matching dies, of course, and then we have a few more dies. So this one is Starry Sky, and again, that's what I used on these backgrounds here. So it just die cuts all these gorgeous little stars, and then I put it on some yellow cardstock, a yellow card base, so that the stars would shine through. But you can see that in the video how I went ahead and did that. And then we have Partly Cloudy Slimline. This one is so fun. I've seen so many cute projects from the design team with this one. I haven't gotten to it yet. Again, I have some ideas for it. It just, you know, May was absolutely insane for me. I haven't had a day off yet, so it's going to be hopefully better in June. But yeah, May has been crazy, and there's so many things that I want to get to, but just haven't had a chance. But I will definitely use this soon in a video, because I think this one is so fun with the rainbows and the clouds. And I think it would work for so many different stamp sets, like the unicorns and other ones too. But kind of in that vein, we also now have the rainbow square. So this one gives you like a full-on rainbow in the center, and then you have this beautiful scalloped border with the little dot detail that's going to be kind of embossed into your card. Again, I haven't used this one yet, but I have ideas for it already ready to go, so I can't wait to see this one. But this is so cute. So really, if you have not checked out the Hello Bluebird blog, do that, because the design team has been knocking this one out of the park as well. So just a couple more dies. We have the new Nesting Decal Mini Slimline, which I absolutely love. I used this one on this card here. This is like the full style of it. This is the second size, so there is a larger size that would be the full card. And I just love that decal detail. I think that's amazing. I hope they come out with this one in like rectangles and circles because I love it, love it, love it. Squares would be fun too, but I love that deckled edge. I have been waiting for somebody to come out with deckled edge dies for a long time, and I'm really, really excited to have this one. I also used it on this card here. I also used it on this one. I just selectively die cut it. So I took one of the smaller ones and then I just die cut the top and then the bottom so that I could have that deckled detail, but still keep the rectangular shape. So yeah, really, really fun. I love these, love these, love these. You'll probably be seeing those a lot on my channel. So we are getting close to the end here. We have just some word dies left, and I don't mean just because they are amazing. We have the Love You and You're My Favorite, and these come with both the silhouette and then the finer the finer font. I don't know what I'm trying to say. So this one I have used on a card as well. This is going to be on that Tuesday card for the Hello Bluebird blog. So stay tuned for that. And like I said, I will have a video on my channel using that one as well. But I can't show it to you just yet, but not too much longer here. And then we also have the Sending Hugs and the Oh Baby. So for the Sending Hugs, I used it on this card, and I die cut the shadow part out of vellum just to give it like a softer look. So it just has that little subtle bit of emphasis on, you know, the back of the sentiment to give it a little bit more prominence. And then for the Oh Baby cards, I only used the finer part of the die cut just to kind of, you know, showcase that you don't have to use both parts if you don't want to. I wanted to try to use it in a couple different ways for, you know, our previews. So that is everything from the Hello Bluebird new release that is going to be live tonight. Like I said, May 21st at 7 p.m. Mountain Standard Time. So make sure to set your alarms, make your wish list, get everything ready to go shopping. I hope you guys are as excited about this new release as I am. I am seriously in love with every single set. There isn't a bad one in this entire bunch. I love them all to pieces, and it just makes me so excited to craft when I have supplies that I'm just like super excited about and just can't wait to ink up and start coloring because I love it, love it, love it. Love having new goodies that I'm just super excited to play with. So thank you guys so much for watching. Thank you guys for the flood of videos that I've been throwing at you guys lately, and it's not over yet. Next week is also going to be a 4-video week, so stay tuned for that. And yeah, hopefully we'll get back to more regular schedules in June. Yeah. Thank you guys. I hope you all have an absolutely amazing day. All right, bye-bye.